We are going to learn about the prefix algorithm. First of all, what is a prefix? Prefix is just an array in which we maintain the cumulative sum or the cumulative XOR or the cumulative multiplication of the elements from the zeroth index to any index I. For example, if we have an array like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we want the sum of the elements, then we maintain a sum prefix of the array as 1, and we add this 1 to the other to the error of 1, that is 3, then plus 3 it will become 6, plus 4 10, and plus 5 15. So this is going to be the sum prefix. We just did the sum of the elements at ith index. We maintain the sum of the elements from the zeroth index to the ith index of the given array. So we can say that prefix of I is nothing but error of 0 to error of I. Sum of the elements from the zeroth index to the ith index. If we say prefix of 1 is equal to prefix of 0 is equal to error of 0, and prefix of 1 is equal to error of 0 plus error of 1, and then prefix of 2 is equal to error of 0 plus error of 1 plus error of 2. So by seeing the above pattern, we can say that prefix of I is nothing but prefix of I minus 1 plus error of I. Before I compute prefix of I know the value of prefix of I minus 1. So I'm going to compute the value of I by using the value of I minus 1 to decrease my time complexity. If I just go on computing the sum from the zeroth index to ith index, my computing of prefix can go up to n square. That's why we use the above formula to compute the prefix in just order of n. So you may ask, what is the advantage of maintaining prefix? First advantage is, if you need the sum of the elements from 0 to ith index, we can compute that in just order of 1 from 0 to I. And not only from 0 to I, but you can also compute the sum of the elements from any range L to R in just order of 1. If the operator, like here in this case we are using sum, it can also be XOR, it can also be the multiplication. So to compute the sum of the elements from L to R, we use the formula sum from L to R is equal to the prefix of R minus prefix of L minus 1. Let me explain how this formula has came. Let us take an example array. అది సెంటర్‌లో బిగించామనుకోండి 7, 3కి మనం సెంటర్‌గా చేసి ఒక అడుగు మందం రోలింగ్ ఉంటదనమాట చుట్టుకునేది. ఆ 7, 3లో I'm
అడుగుకి
going to take the
అడుగు
above example.
3లో మళ్ళీ మనదో 4 అంగుళాలు బాటమ్ తాళాలేసుకునేది కనపడుద్దండి. అది
I'll
కొంచెం
compute the
అంతకంటే
values of the
అడుగుకి అది
prefix.
కొంచెం చిన్నదిగా కనపడుద్దనమాటండి.
Then it will be
ఎంత
1,
పెంచుకున్నారో బాబు అన్నట్టు ఉంటదనమాటండి సెంటర్ ఫిట్టింగ్ చేస్తే.
3,
దానికి సైడ్‌లో బిగించుకోవాలండి.
6,
షట్టరు వెడల్పు కూడా పెరుగుద్ది. హైట్ కూడా పైకెళ్ళిపోద్దండి. ఇంకా పైన
10,
చోటుంటది మనకి.
and
ఆ 4
15.
అంగుళాలు కొంచెం జరిపి వెనక్కెళ్తామటండి. ఆ ఇటుక కట్ట దాటి దాని
So
పక్కనే బిగిస్తామట మేము. అప్పుడు 7
If
3కి
we
7
need the
మూడు
sum of the
16
elements from
అందులో
any index, let's say
వాటర్
from
వాడేసుకునేదాన్ని.
index 3 to
ఆ!
index
కొంచెం
4,
పైన వస్తది మీకు. గుమ్మం సైజ్ కన్నా పెద్దదే. ఎడల్పులో కూడాని మనకి ఈ సైడ్‌కెళ్ళడం వల్ల ఎంతుందో అంత
like from
వస్తది.
index 3 to index 4, the
అలాగే
answer is 9.
ఒకవేళ
So, what
30
I'm saying is we can get the value of the 9
ద్వారా గైడ్ వచ్చేది
by
3
taking
గంటలు.
the prefix of r, that
అందుకే
is
మనం
prefix
సైడ్‌కెళ్ళి
of r is 15
నోట్
here,
చేసుకోవడం
and subtracting the prefix of l minus 1, that is prefix of 2. We take the l as 3, that's why we l minus 1 will become 2, which is nothing but 6. So our answer is 9.
వెనకాల ఏమన్నా మరి స్పెషల్‌గా
In
కవర్
this way we can compute the value
అన్నమాట. అది
from any range L to R in just order of 1.
ఏర్పాటు చేస్తాం మనం.
We use this prefix to
కావాలనుకుంటే మళ్ళీ అది 500 పెరుగుతాయన్నమాట.
solve the queries from L to R, but to use this formula there is a condition that the operator must be invertible. Means you should be able to
పొద్దున ఒకసారి వచ్చి
find the value of,
ఆయ్.
like if you have, in this case we took some, right? So if a plus b is equal to c and we know the values of a comma c, then we should be able to find the value of c. Then the operator sum is said to be invertible. Here in this case, the value of this b can be obtained by subtracting the value of a from the value of c. So we can say that the sum is invertible, and by using this formula, we can get to the conclusion that we can obtain the sum of the elements from any range L to R by using this above formula, that is prefix of R minus prefix of L minus 1. And as we maintain the prefix, we can also maintain the suffix, which can be useful in different types of problems. While solving the problems, you may get to know that. And I recommend you to stop this video. I'm going to end this video. You, after watching this video, you go to the lead code and solve the problems on prefix algorithm. Hope you like this video. If you are liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to upload any further algorithms on this channel, so stay tuned to our channel.